Hi there, this is Jerry from the Happy Place Diaries, and today we're going to talk about something very serious, and it's something that you're definitely going to want to pay attention to and stay all the way to the end, because I have a great solution for a absolute problem that everyone, and I mean everyone, that owns an RV has to deal with at some time. Stick around. Yes, friends, what I'm talking about is the poop drizzle. It's known by many other names, but that's kind of the term that I've coined for it. You know what I'm talking about. It's that little bit could it be black? Could it be gray? You don't know, do you? When you remove that cap right before you hook up your hoses, you don't know what's coming out of there. just the thought of it. Anyway, I found a great solution, and so today we're going to do an install video on how to fix the poop drizzle. Join me as we fix this this problem. I can't even think about it. Just all right. Okay. The absolute first step in this process is to don protective gear. You're going to want to make sure that you got, at a minimum, gloves on. And I tell you, this whole thing gives me the mouth sweat. So I'm gonna get my gloves on, and I will meet you outside. Okay, so I'm properly dressed for the occasion now, and what we're going to do is we're going to add a twist-on gate valve to the end of our sewer connection right here. And this is where you never know what you're going to get. So real quick, I'm going to grab a bucket because I don't know what's going to come out of here either. So stay right there. Holy smoke, look how much rain we've had. All right, here we go. All right, I want to grab a bucket, get it up underneath there. And because every time when you're in transit, you never know. And you know, like our trailer is 4 years old, and so you know the valves are a little bit loose and they shake a little bit, so a little bit of something gathers down here. So we're going to go ahead and open that. This is the part that always makes me queasy. Oh yeah, there was a little poop drizzle in there. All right, so this is a real, it's really not that bad. There was some poop drizzle in there though. So this is a real simple process. You've got a connector, and you're just going to go ahead and put it on. Now what you want to do is find out where you want it, because this one actually will swivel. So what I want to do is I want to get it facing forward, and then you can put your cap right back on. Now, problem solved, because the next time that I go to hook up my sewer hose, I've got all my valves closed in here, and now I've got a third valve right here at the end, so that when I open this up, I won't get any of the poop drizzle. So there you go. And it's a done deal. All right, a real simple fix to a real crappy problem. And I think we're going to be real happy with this. It's a very inexpensive fix, a great product from Valterra. It's the Valterra Gate Valve that you just snap on, and another problem fixed. Hey, thanks for coming along with us. We really appreciate it. Had a little fun with this little do-it-yourself project. It's something that we all experience, and there's really no great solution. You know, you could rip out the bottom of your trailer and get all of your valves tightened up, but for about 20 bucks, you can slap something like that on, and it's going to work really, really well. And you're going to notice right away that you don't have to deal with that, you know, whatever remaining fluids are in your sewer hose. And I don't care if it's gray or black. The fact that both of them come out that same area means it's all black to me. So you want to handle that with care. This keeps you from dripping on campgrounds and all that stuff. All right, hey, thanks again for coming along. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Don't forget to share it with a friend. We really appreciate each and every one of you coming with us on our journey. And we'll see you in the next video.